Hey everyone, what's up? On the Weller channel today, I'll show you how to remove the Safe Search filter. Yes, the Safe Search filter that's enabled on your device or your network. So here's the problem. To remove it, it's generally a Chrome issue, and other browsers too, of course, but here's the fix for Chrome. You can do the same thing in other browsers as well. Go into Settings, go into Privacy and Security, then into Security. And here we have the option to use a protected, like a secure DNS. Turn it off like this and try again. Also go into Search and type SafeSearch in there. Here, if you have it. As you can see, I don't have that setting here, but on my phone it does exist. It's the Safe Search setting. If you go into on the phone over here, yes, free, into security and privacy, you'll find this tab with Safe Search. So there's that option right there. And that's basically it. If that didn't help, you can try other secure DNS options here. This one definitely sets a filter. Clean browsing, all the others you'd need to test. There you go. This was Weller. See you all later.